A few weeks back, this channel reached 500 subscribers on YouTube. And although it's not the first time for me, as I already have another YouTube channel with over 10,000 subscribers, yet I wanted to share some crucial tips that helped me create two successful YouTube channels. Hey digital learners, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com and welcome back to another episode. In this video, you will learn how to start a successful YouTube channel and gain 500 subscribers fast. In case you're new here, this channel is all about tips, tricks and strategies to create profitable online business. So make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without further delay, let's learn how to start a successful YouTube channel and get 500 subscribers fast. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, most people would suggest you to just get started. But that's not the right strategy. Instead, my recommendation would be, before you start a YouTube channel, first decide what type of content you will create, what kind of channel it will be, and who will be your target audience. Because if you randomly post anything, it will be hard for you to build a subscriber base that's loyal. For example, I usually see many YouTubers starting their channel with one type of content, say related to technology. Then the next time they post about entertainment, then motivation, then politics, then they start posting about lifestyle content, and such channels struggle a lot for growth on YouTube. One of the reasons is people will only take you seriously when you prove yourself authority in a certain niche or category. Take my channel as an example. If I start talking about politics, would you take me seriously? Perhaps not. You are here because you want to learn how to create profitable online business, and this channel is all about tips and strategies to create successful online business. And that's the reason why you are subscribed to this channel. For anyone else who is new to this channel should subscribe. See how I am clear about the content of this channel, message I want to convey, target audience, and the purpose of this channel. And this has helped me a lot in building the right kind of audience for my channel. So decide a particular category before you get started. Be it fashion, be it beauty, be it lifestyle, be it entertainment, or whatever you can think of. But what's most crucial is, you need to decide your category before you start. Alright, the next step for starting a successful YouTube channel is to start. Yes, I said start because I have mentored many people over the private coaching calls, and one of the questions I often get is, I have been planning to start a YouTube channel for the last couple of months, but I can't figure out how to start. And you know what? If you keep planning, you'll keep procrastinating for months. So mark a date in your calendar and post your first video anyhow. Because if you don't start, you will never know what it takes to launch a YouTube channel. And the good thing is, when you launch your YouTube channel and make a few videos, only then you will be able to grow on YouTube. Okay, so the third tip for starting a successful YouTube channel is to get the right equipment. As a beginner, choosing the right equipment may be very difficult, especially if you have limited budget. Although you don't need fancy equipment to start a YouTube channel, and you might have often heard me saying that you have got everything in your pocket to start creating videos. But if the budget allows you, you should consider upgrading to better gears. Especially a better microphone is very crucial. Usually the built-in microphone of your phone or camera is very basic and the audio quality is not so good. So I would suggest upgrading to an external microphone because people will forgive you if you have a bad quality video, but they won't forgive you if you have bad audio. I started with the built-in microphone of my camera and the audio quality was terrible. That is why some of my early days videos have got many people commenting like, an excellent tutorial totally wasted by terrible audio. So I would highly recommend you to improve your audio quality if you want to grow on YouTube. By the way, if you need help in choosing the right equipment, check the description below for my updated video equipment and gears list. Alright, the fourth tip to start a successful YouTube channel and gain subscribers fast is, start creating informational content. One of the most common mistakes I see newbie vloggers making is they start creating vlog style videos, and this is a completely flop idea. The reason for this is, when you have a new channel without any existing audience or fan following, usually people don't care about your lifestyle. So hardly anyone would be interested in watching your vlog style videos unless you are a big celebrity. Therefore, a better idea is to create informational videos so that people may find your content while searching on YouTube. YouTube is a search engine and you need to be very strategic about your keywords as well as the content strategy if you want to grow fast on YouTube. There are tools that will help you in keyword research and I have shared the download link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Okay, the fifth tip I have for you that will help you gain more subscribers is working on your channel appearance. Create an attractive channel art that clearly shows what your channel is all about and what people can expect from you. Because when people find your content from YouTube search, they usually check your channel homepage to decide if your channel's content belongs to their interests. Therefore, work on your channel art banner so that it may convey your message effectively. And this is so effective that when I changed my channel's cover art from a random picture to a custom designed banner, I noticed a quick boost in my subscribers' growth velocity. Alright, the next tip for starting a successful YouTube channel is to post consistently. If you really want to grow fast on YouTube, you must post consistently, and this is very important. Although it's not a go-to rule and only way to grow on YouTube, yet posting consistently helps a lot. The reason for that is posting content consistently means you need to push yourself for more content, and the more content you create, the better you become at creating quality content. And this helps in two ways. Number one, you have more content feeding YouTube algorithms and ready to be found by users on YouTube. And number two, your content quality is improving with every video, thus helping you attract more potential customers. So these are some of the most crucial tips and strategies that were helpful in creating not just one but two successful YouTube channels. But obviously there are some hits and misses while growing a YouTube channel. And as my YouTube channels are growing every day, I'm learning a lot about what works and what doesn't. In order to share my learning, I'm planning to start a private masterminds community. If you visit youtubeseoacademy.com, you can download my ebook about YouTube SEO, and this will add you to the waitlist so that you will be the first to know when it launches. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure you join the waitlist. So this wraps up today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Learn Digital with Rahul channel on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative, and feel proud to be #digital learner.